Welcome to my channel Wheelie Smart. Why choose ceramic windshield glass coating? Ceramic windshield glass coating is a game changer for car owners, offering superior protection and visibility in all conditions. This advanced nanotechnology forms a durable, hydrophobic layer on your windshield, repelling water, dirt, and grime. Rain beads up and rolls off, reducing wiper use and enhancing safety. It also resists scratches, UV damage, and chemical stains, keeping your windshield crystal clear for longer. Tools and materials needed. To get started, gather these essentials: a high-quality ceramic windshield coating kit, including the coating solution and applicator, microfiber cloths, glass cleaner, isopropyl alcohol, and gloves. Ensure your workspace is shaded, well ventilated, and free from dust. A clean, dry windshield is critical for optimal results, so avoid applying in humid or rainy conditions. Step-by-step application process. Step 1. Clean the windshield thoroughly. Begin by washing your windshield with a dedicated glass cleaner to remove dirt, grease, and debris. Spray generously and wipe with a microfiber cloth in circular motions. For stubborn stains, use a clay bar to smooth the surface. Next, wipe the glass with isopropyl alcohol to eliminate any remaining oils or residues. This ensures the coating bonds effectively to the glass. Step 2. Prepare the ceramic coating. Wear gloves to avoid skin contact with the coating solution. Apply a few drops of the ceramic coating to the provided applicator pad, ensuring even distribution. Work in small sections, about 2 by 2 feet, to maintain control and avoid premature drying. Step 3. Apply the coating evenly. Gently spread the coating onto the windshield using overlapping, straight strokes. Apply light pressure to ensure full coverage without streaks. Work quickly, as the product begins to cure within minutes. If you notice uneven spots, reapply a small amount to smooth them out. Avoid over-application, as excess product can create hazy patches. Step 4. Buff and cure. After applying the coating to a section, let it sit for 1-2 minutes. Check product instructions for exact timing. Then, use a clean microfiber cloth to buff the surface gently, removing excess residue. The windshield should feel smooth and look clear. Repeat the process across the entire windshield, ensuring no areas are missed. Allow the coating to cure for at least 12-24 hours, avoiding water exposure or wiper use during this period. Maintenance tips for long-lasting results. To maximize durability, maintain your coated windshield with regular cleaning using a pH-neutral glass cleaner. Avoid abrasive tools or harsh chemicals that could degrade the coating. Reapply every 6-12 months, depending on driving conditions and product specifications, to keep performance at its peak. Benefits for every car owner. Ceramic windshield coating is a small investment with big rewards. It saves time on cleaning, reduces wiper wear, and boosts safety by improving visibility in rain, snow, or fog. Whether you drive a daily commuter or a luxury car, this coating enhances your driving experience, making it a must-have for every car enthusiast. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.